Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn how to make rock, paper, scissors using C++. So you see I've already created the main stuff. So now I'll create two inputs. Int. No, it's I'll create a char for the player's input. Sin in quote, what do you choose? Now I'll run it. G++ y.cpp. Oh, whoops, I forgot to using namespace std. Oh no, I made another mistake. Now I'll run the .exe file. Now it should say, what do you choose? I'll choose this. It works. It works clear and near. This works, but now we want to create the actual thing. Next, no, I'll make a new random device. R, and make a uniform underscore int distribution. Int RR. I'll also include the random library. Now I'll just check for any errors. Whoops. Device. Cool. Now what I want is that it will choose between 3 different things and make a new array. Char 3 char choices 3. It'll have a length of 3. There'll be rock, paper, scissors. Now this thing, I'll be able to choose either rock, paper, or scissors. I'm going to comment this out for now, so I'll be able to test the thing. Now choices, it will print the choices. R. I will run the C++ file. .a.exe. Oops, I forgot to set a range for this. I'll set from 0 to 2. It's okay. Scissors, paper, rock, scissors, paper, rock, scissors, rock, scissors, paper. Okay, it's working. So now what I will do is that anyways, so what I'll do is that these are choices, code choices. I'll bring this back, and now so as you know, in rock paper scissors, so firstly I'll check if they're the same. If then int is equal, oh yeah, I'll change this into a variable, char AI choice. If then input is equal to AI choice, then print tie, else if input is equal to rock and AI choice is equal to scissors. If input is equal to rock, as you know, rock beats scissors, then print win. Now there's 3 other conditions that I need to account for. If the player's choice is scissors and the AI choice is paper, that's also a win. And if the player's choice is paper and the AI choice is rock, that's also a win. If it's not any of that, then print lose. It's supposed to be equals. Now I'll run for any errors. Oh no, all of these are supposed to be equals. /a.exe. What do you choose? I choose rock. I was going to make it print what the AI chose. Quote, and then C out AI choice. We'll recompile this. You choose rock. It's a tie. I'll choose scissors. Lose scissors. Lose scissors. Tie scissors. Lose scissors. Well, let's say win this time. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.